Today we're going to show you why Lake Hartwell Land Management is one of our best customers and best people to use for all of your grading and tree service needs. Let's go! I was born and raised here in Toccoa, Georgia, and I've never stood right in the middle of Fernside Drive. Right here we are. Mason Tucker and his crew are doing a new subdivision development and doing it in great fashion. Here's Mason's 2022 Akins Ford F-450 King Ranch Reserve Edition bad boy. One of the baddest trucks you'll find, and it's out here working. I know a lot of y'all seen that truck in the past and try to throw a little shade and say, oh, that truck ain't gonna do nothing but just look good. Well, look, it does a lot more than that. It's working good and playing hard. The star of the show today is that diamond right there in the backdrop. Mason's working hard. Let me show you what he's got going on.
XL up in the pen, you can't shake that. All the way gassed up, full tank, man. Moving too quick, keep the cameras in the playback. Dang, so tell me how you feel with it. You put a lid on it, I ain't got no chill with it. This right here your problem, you gon' have to deal with it. Lay it on the line, high risk, that's the meal ticket. Yeah, we ain't never fall back. Hold on ground where we at, never fall back. No lies, no facts, we gon' stay right where we at. We ain't never fall back.
This truck is one of my favorites on 37s and 22-inch American Forces. A North Star bed that we got from great guy Mike South. Lots of collaborations of people we trust that do phenomenal work for us. And holla at your boy, Jake Royal. Look at Jake. Jake knows what's up. Jake's up here in my old stopper grounds too. I love hanging with people that have the same vibe as me. It means everything. Roll with a crew that's got the same mentality as you. Big shout out too to Blake Kerbo. Jake just sold him 2 trucks. So like I said, great people stick together. And when you got a great group that you can trust and get stuff done, you can make great things come true. If you haven't seen this truck in completion totality before, I'll post a link of this video in the description. This truck right here is so stunning and so capable at the same time. Star White is magnificent, but like I said, we're iconic today. I told y'all we had a showstopper that's going to break the internet. It took a while, but 2023 Akins Ford F-450 regular cab. If you like my swag today, get it online anytime. Wild Willies accessories.com. We got all kind of stuff for any lifestyle. Iconic silver is so iconic, but when it's our Western Reserve Edition, it's truly epic and next level in so many ways. Just look up front before I get back to that regular cab diamond, y'all. But ranch hand up front, full bumper, iconic silver. We got black all in the inners. Deleted that amber for iconic silver on the side. Painted that grille, which was totally chrome. Iconic silver as well. You know we got the matching agate black and silver emblem up front. We got a 30-inch rigid radiance light bar up front with a white backlight. So I can't wait. I can't wait. You know he's gonna be sending the Snapchats to Jake tonight. Sure. D-Series SAE lights in the fog light slot. So he has functional, street legal fog lights for added safety, but you know it looks amazing too. Just a stunning look in general in the front. And coming down the side, American Force plague wheels. He got the same wheel that he has on the King Ranch, but just custom. Instead of doing the simulated rivets all the way around, look right there. Lake Hartwell Land Management grading and septic and tree services. Jake, go ahead and show him what's up. Go ahead and show him. I ain't even got to tell him. Ooh! Star of the show is the CM ER bed. This is our Western Reserve staple. Of course, painted to match, iconic silver. And coincidentally, Jake sold Brad Kennedy's truck too, which was a 2022 crew cab model in a similar fashion. I know this one's going to go crazy because of the regular cab. And Mason actually loves a regular cab application for many reasons, as far as the usability of it and just overall. It's got the high output motor as well. XLT F-450. This was a non-premium with chrome and texture black all throughout. You know we had to do it in our fashion iconic silver, agate black. Of course, these mirrors didn't look this good. We did Iconic Silver, removed the texture on all the lower portion. White on the turn signals, white on the clearance lights up top. We've got rock lights in each wheel well. We've got rock lights in each of the toolboxes to go along with it. A UWS dual fuel tank toolbox combo. SRQs up on the headache rack. SRQs on the back. Got them a B&W hitch as well. Akins ladder guaranteed for life. We took these and did them a gate black as well as this top rail. They come like a brushed aluminum look. These also went to Iconic Silver. A lot of customizations, much like what Mason's doing here. You really don't understand or appreciate what it takes to do a job like this. Similar thing you got going on right here. All the surround around your rear lights and the perimeter there, doing it in the agate black and Iconic Silver fashion. It really just flows and looks that much more elegant and premium at the same time. On the inside, we're pretty basic, but that's all you really need on a truck you're gonna be working in. Sync 4 system, all the power that you need and more in a 2-door. Here's a good side shot for you. I know you get tired of hearing me blab. This is what you're here for. This side shot right here, regular cab action, all the power you could ask for, all done up, custom, Iconic Silver, ready to tackle any job. Mason, we're so proud of seeing how much you've established yourself in a short time. Is something that makes all of us proud, especially Jake and I. Keep on grinding. We know you got big things coming in the future. All right, Mason. I'm putting you on the spot. What do you think about your truck, dude?
I love it.
This is pretty special, getting to bring it here to the job site too.
Oh yeah, it's sharp.
Seeing your operation and what you got going on, that's really, really awesome.
Yes, sir.
It's really amazing to me is I sold Mason and his dad a work truck similar to this. It was a F-350 red 7.3 with a service body on it. That was a long time ago, and here we are today. We're in Toccoa filming all that he's established, and it's just like full circle, man. Never thought that we would come this far, but that's life. Keep on pursuing excellence. Jake, tell us about how you acquired and got to know Mason, and I know y'all are big buddies now. Just tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so a friend of mine gave me his number a few years ago, and he was wanting to order a King Ranch 250. Painted bumpers, painted handles, mirror caps, but he wanted the chrome wheels, chrome applique on the back. And the same thing I'd do to mine, but we can't do it, you know, not necessarily we, but Ford. They just, I don't know, it's just one of those things, you know. He was kind of short with me and ill, I feel like. But for whatever reason, he called me back a few months later. We ended up getting him one going. And like Neal said, you know, just proud of him for all that he's done in such a short time. The sky's the limit, especially for somebody that grinds and hustles the way that he does. He's one of my best customers and turned out to be one of my best friends. We hang out a good bit, and he's a good dude. You know, it's crazy. We were sitting there showing him his brand new truck, and he's telling me and Neal about what he wants to do to his 24. So that's him for you. You know, he always go to the top of the line, get the best of the best, but he works for it. So proud of you, buddy.
That's right. I say we get Mason right now and we go get that boat. We go to Lake Hartwell. That's what I'm thinking right now, y'all. Mason's just like us. He loves accessories.
Yeah, and what's this button right here do? This little one.
Jake knew what that was. He wants me to go deaf, y'all. I'm getting hard of hearing anyway after all the racing and gun shooting I've been doing. That thing right there is deafening. But look, Mason even said that just a few days ago he used his train horn on his King Ranch and it saved him from an accident. So there is functionality to what we do. So hit us up for everything and more. We can tell you what's just for show and what's actually functional, but in a sense it all can be used to benefit you, because if it puts a smile on your face, it makes me happy, and Jake as well. So hit us up for all of your vehicle and accessory needs. We're in Winder, Georgia. It's a one-stop shop and we got it going on. Peace out.